right, let's check out this Transceiver. There's the charger. There's all the pieces, the antenna, the cords, USB to C, and it has emergency alert, multi-band transmitting and receiving, AM, FM, aviation band receiving capabilities. There is everything on the front with your dial numbers, your other buttons that you need to work the machine. It also has DTMF calling, DTMF ANI, a jack light, the FM radio, VOX, large display, repeat forwarding confirmation function, high capacity battery, and long standby time monitor. And like I said, the main thing is it is a multi-band transmitting and receiving for aviation. Also has a 10-group scrambler, power on password, 1-key call channel, frog sound, tail signal, cross-band intercom. And it's basically also a walkie-talkie. This was given as a sample for review.